Hey diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing video ideas for my entrepreneurs who use YouTube as a source of income and you're feeling a little stuck but you still want to upload videos. So these are going to be 70 plus video ideas that you all can put on your YouTube channel for the month of March. Today is March 1st. So I have already created my content calendar and some of these video ideas I will be using for the month of March. So I upload on every Monday and Thursday and sometimes Saturday. Thank you all who have watched my videos, who have been subscribing. I see you all. Like literally we just hit 3,000 and we're almost at 3.3K. So thank you all so much for continuing to support me. Let's get right into this video. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So the first one is the whisper challenge and film a get ready with me video. You can also do a day in my life vlog. This is very popular with business owners and entrepreneurs. People like to see what it's like to run a business. You can do a Q&A, a question and answer video, a car vlog. I really like watching car vlogs because it's like, where are you going? Let's talk, let's chat. You also can do daily vlogs. I did this for the month of December. Some people call it Vlogmas. You can do a story time, a cook with me, a morning skin routine, and a night skin routine. I think I've done a morning skin routine, but I haven't done a night skin routine, so I'm thinking about doing that as well. A how-to video, a makeup tutorial, a hair tutorial, a budgeting video. A lot of people like budgeting videos because it helps them like allocate their money, not overspend for the month or for the year. A hair review if a company sends you hair. A product review. Reaction video to new music. This is what I started my channel off with. I was doing a lot of Agnes Mo reaction videos, and that's why most of my viewers were from Indonesia. The thing with reaction videos, if you're gonna do a reaction video, you have to be on it. Like as soon as they drop the video, you have to react to it. So you can do a reaction video to your old videos. I've seen a lot of vloggers do out of the country vlogs. Controversial topics, if you do a video on a controversial topic that's like trending at the moment. So playlists are very, very popular. A lot of people like music, so you can do a gospel playlist, a trap playlist, a 90s R&B playlist. Just some ideas to throw out there. Subscriber giveaway video. So when you hit a certain amount of subscribers, you do a giveaway for all of those people who subscribed. I think within the next 3 months, I'll probably do a giveaway because I'm going to reach one of my goals. Workout routines are very, very popular. A lot of people like watching health and weight loss journey videos. My natural hair journey, if you're natural, this is my natural hair. I think I might do a update video on my natural hair, like where is it lengthwise. Big chop video. This is one video I wish I would have recorded but I didn't record. It's basically when you're transitioning from permed hair to natural hair and you just cut all of your hair and you record it and people get to see your reaction. My pamper routine, this is when you either stay at home or go somewhere like to a spa or somewhere and pamper yourself and like just spoil yourself for the day. Something that you usually don't do on a regular basis. Get a massage, get your nails done, hair done. College vlog, birthday vlog. I've done both because people like to see like what schools I went to, how the dorms are, like people want to know. You could do a college move-in. Everybody likes watching college move-ins to see like what your experience was when you moved into your college or your dorm. So my iPhone, I've done that. Like I said, people are very nosy, so they want to see like what you got on your phone. First day of classes, we want to see what your major is, what school you go to, what classes you take. Do we go to the same school? Do I have the same classes? Am I in your class and I don't know? Back to school haul. This is more of a seasonal video, so you have to do it right before school starts. Those type of videos, like back to school videos, you'll start seeing them when school starts again. An unboxing video, it could be an unboxing of anything, maybe something you ordered online, something a company sent you. Show your first reaction. You could show them how the box is, how it's packaged. You know, a DIY homemade video. I did a DIY deep conditioner, how to make your own deep conditioner for natural hair. That video did really good. How to edit my thumbnails, I've done a video like that. How to edit my YouTube videos, I'm going to be doing a video on how to edit YouTube videos on a Windows computer. A lot of people don't know that you can edit your videos on Windows, like Windows Movie Maker. Like trying foreign foods, Americans trying foreign foods. There's subscription boxes where companies send Americans foreign foods. I really want to try that, so I'm looking into like different subscription boxes for that. Do a lyric prank. I done a lyric prank on one of my friends. It was a complete fail, but it was fun just to see how he reacted to it. It surprised me because I actually didn't know that he knew about the lyric prank. So the fact that he watches YouTube videos is like so funny to me. What's in my backpack? I've done a video like this before. What's in my purse? Recreating a YouTuber's look. I did Jackie Ayana's YouTube look. P.O. box unboxing. When I get a P.O. box, I am actually going to do an unboxing. I don't know if it's for this month or next month, but reacting to comments, reacting to negative comments. I'm definitely going to do a video like that because you all have been showing me so much love. In my comment section, I rarely get any negative comments, and sometimes when I get negative comments, I just approve them just because I'm like, okay, I have like 1,000 positive comments and you're the negative Nancy, so I'm just gonna approve you, let you get your 5 minutes of fame under my video. A facts about me video, I think I've done that. I think it was either 50 or 100 facts about me. I've done it. What I eat in a day. People love to see what you eat. People love food. I love food, so I watch videos like, what are you eating? What's on your plate? Cause do I need to order some? Transform someone into you. Like say for instance, you wear your hair a certain way and you have like a cousin or a sister and you try to transform them into how you look on a daily basis. Pack with me. People love traveling videos, so if you're like, I'm gonna go on a vacation and this is how I pack for it, I'm definitely gonna do a video like that. It's gonna have a little twist on it because I don't want to do the exact same thing everybody else is doing. Side hustles videos, and then another one is how to make money online. Plan with me. I've done a lot of plan with me videos in my happy planner, as you can see. What I'm doing right now, a video ideas video. These are very popular on YouTube because people sometimes get stuck and don't know what videos to upload, especially when you're new on YouTube. This is like a whole new realm and you don't want to just sit there and copy other people. Another one, how you run a business or a boutique. Personally, I'm a business owner, so if I can learn something else from another business owner, I watch the video, and I have learned a lot, like far as marketing my products. I'm more of a simple person, but I have to sometimes realize that my customers aren't simple like me. They like extra.